Okay, to remove the door panel, there's 3 screws, one in here, one right here. There's going to be one behind this little pocket right here. This one is a hex style fine thread screw. Okay, once you got all your screws out, go ahead and take a panel popper and starting from the bottom, just kind of start prying around and get all the panels popped off. These are all the plastic tabs holding the door on that you're going to have to pop off. Don't worry about breaking any of them. If you do, they're pretty cheap at the dealership or the auto parts store. I'd recommend getting a good pair of panel poppers for this because it takes quite a bit of force to get those panels apart. Alright, that was a pain in the ass. Whoa. Okay, now that you got your door panel loose, you're going to have to come in here and disconnect the door handle and door lock. To disconnect those, just pop it off the bar. Okay, once you got these things unsnapped, the metal just pulls up and out of it. Okay, now you're taking off the door and lock actuator. Go ahead and disconnect the window and lock wiring harness. And the door panel's off. Alright, there's only 4 screws holding this speaker in. Go ahead and disconnect it. Discard this piece of shit. Okay, because I'm putting in speakers that handle a lot more power, I'm going to go ahead and upgrade the speaker wire. So let's go ahead and take this panel back off. Okay, now that you got this inside panel off, go ahead and start feeding your wire to the door loom. Alright, that should be enough to get it through here. Come on, bitch. There's a perfect size gap in that plastic wiring loom to stuff your new speaker wire through. Alright, here we go. There's plenty of wire hanging out. Let's pop this bracket back in there, wrap it back up, factory-like. Okay, once you got your wire in there, go ahead and route it the same way you did your power wire, through the door and over to the back. Okay, putting some 6x9 Alpine Type R's in the front doors. Let's go ahead and open this box up, see what's inside. Oh yeah. Oh, those are just covers. There we go. Okay, these are the new Alpine Type R's that I'm putting in. These are the stock speakers that I just took out. And you can see there's quite a big difference in style. About the same size, but new technology. Okay, I put some connectors on here. Just go ahead and connect it up. Oh yeah, that's nice. You're going to want to take your time putting these screws in so you don't slip and poke a hole in your brand new speakers. Most speakers that have a tweeter in the center like this is adjustable. Go ahead and adjust that tweeter to the position you like. Alright, let's put this door panel back on. If you've made it this far, I'm pretty sure you could get that door panel back together without the rest of this video. all you're going to need to remember is connect the wiring harness for the window unlock, connect your lock and door handle back together, snap the panel back together into all the little snap parts by just kind of pressing on it and hitting it with your fist, and your 3 screws, and you're all done. Like, comment, and subscribe.